My washer and dryer are very well loved with our family of 4. I figured it was about time to give it a little TLC and some deep cleaning to help them last. In a squirt bottle, place 1 part vinegar and 10 parts water. If you don't like the smell, you can add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, or if you'd rather, you could use dish soap and water as well. Spray down the entire exterior of both your washer and dryer and wipe it clean with a washcloth or microfiber towel. Make sure to get the surface, buttons, dials, and all the nooks and crannies. Spray with the vinegar mixture and use a toothbrush to get in tough spots like the bleach spout, the lid, and more. In my washing machine, the center spinning part gets built up film and it turns a brown color. Use a magic eraser to clean that right up, as well as any other tough spots. Also in your washer, make sure to get the top and around the tub of the washing machine. There is a lot of dirt and dust that collects up there. For the tub itself, place 1 quart or 4 cups of vinegar in your tub and fill it all the way up with hot water. Run your regular wash cycle. And again, you can add lemon juice to cut the smell of the vinegar if you like. Once it's complete, you can opt to do a second rinse cycle if you like, and when the rinse cycle is done, wipe it out with a clean cloth. To clean my dryer lint trap, I use my vacuum cleaner to get off a little extra. My dryer came with a bristle wand. I use that to dig down deep in the lint trap to get the extra lint that is trapped down there. I also use my vacuum cleaner with the wand attachment to suck out the lint trap. Spray your vinegar mixture over the lint trap and use a toothbrush to get up the dirt and grime. Spray the vinegar mixture inside your dryer as well as on all surfaces as you did with the washer, and wipe it clean with a washcloth or microfiber cloth. Spray your lint trap with the vinegar mixture and use a toothbrush to scrub it clean. Rinse the lint trap off and let it dry. If it is good and clean, the water will run through the trap. If it is not clean enough, the water will not go through the mesh. My washer and dryer look great and are all clean. Mine are almost 18 years old. Just a little TLC will help keep them working well for a long time. I hope this inspires you to clean your washer and dryer today. Thanks for watching.